Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set the old iPhone ringtone. If you missed the classic iPhone ringtone and want to use it again, you can easily change your ringtone into just a few steps. Apple still includes many of its older ringtone. To get started, you need to open your setting. So from here scroll a bit down until you find sound and haptics and select that. So over here under the sound and haptics scroll a bit down again and you need to select this ringtone icon there. So you'll see a list of all the ringtones available on your iPhone. You need to do is scroll through the list and look for the classics option. Over here on the bottom, we can find there's an icon for the classic all the way to the bottom. Simply tap classic there. And from here, you'll find the classic tones and several other original iPhone ringtones. And you can tap any ringtone to hear a preview. And that is it. That's how you can set an old iPhone ringtone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.